All right, it's Thursday, September the 9th, 2021, and looks like we have a range here that it's been trading in, and I think I've been talking about this for a little bit, between 148 and 152, and this range is still intact. And so let's look at this real quick, and there's some stuff that I want to point out here. So kind of I've been talking about this range a little bit. Now I'm kind of initiating a buy here. It's definitely a buy under 148. If we go down to 148, dip under 148 tomorrow, you might want to definitely get it. Under 149, I think it's still a buy. It traded down as low as 148.59 today, and it's been trading up to 152. So let's look at this. Okay, so it's 152 here, 152 here. It almost hit 152, 6 cents away. 152 here, 151.85, almost 152, and 152 here. So for the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the last 6 days, including today, it went up to at least 151.85. So if we can drop the semantics and just call it 152, essentially, this has been a good trading range. Now, if you look at the low, it dropped down to 148.60, 148.66, 150 a couple of days, 147.71 yesterday, and 148.59 today. So it's kind of in a trading range there. So if you're you definitely want to take these into account. Today would have been a good day to sell the puts. So sell the puts, get a good premium on it if you want to play it that way. If you're swing trading this guy, then buy the dips, sell the rips. You definitely want to buy under 149. If it drops to 148, back the truck up. Maybe a little dump truck, maybe not the big 18-wheeler, but back it up because you're going to get, fairly predictably get 4 points out of it. Now, what if something happens and this thing drops? Well, next month, at the end of next month, we have earnings coming out again. This thing being the NASDAQ, it's going to run into tech earnings. So if it runs into tech earnings, then you're going to be saved. So we've got a backstop there of safety that in the next 50 days, it's going to go up. It'll probably go up the next 30 days. So pretty good risk reward. So I definitely would be aggressive at that price point. And so if this goes down a little bit more, you might want to go at the money around 149, 148. If it goes down, to sell your puts at the money, or just buy the stock. And I would maybe even just swing trade it and not sell the call against it unless it goes down. If it goes down after you buy it at 149 or 148, give it a day or two. If it looks like it's going to go down more, then you might think about buying the call.